how to make my office more efficient is really a lot of number of things. One is we're just around financially, getting rid of a lot of the things that we do not need, or so the things that we always kind of wanted, got rid of that. So a lot more operational efficient, and you realize you can actually do without. We are definitely marketing a lot more efficiently, kind of things again that are not as effective. As we measure our KPIs about who really has the best, I guess, return or best bang for the buck, and that's where we do more of our digital stuff. Definitely a lot more intentional about our follow-ups and reaching out to people. Make sure we do a lot of tracking there to see who's interested, who wants to come in. We're still a place where people got to come in for us to survive, right, as a business. And also too, we schedule by provider time, and so we have to make sure that we are scheduling properly to maximize the day, and also to maximize the time when we actually do open up better. So definitely a lot more efficient and a lot more intentional behind those things I just talked about.